Hey, it's Rob from Mr. Homeowner. We got a storm tonight, but I made a new purchase. So this guy, my 22-inch griddle, is currently for sale on the Facebook Marketplace because I got the beast here. I finally got the 36-inch. You can see he's nice and starting to get seasoned up. Made some chicken fried rice last night on him. And he wasn't this far into the... I pushed him out into the outside when I cooked that. I just keeping him in the garage because he's new and I don't really have a cover for him yet. And because of our crazy storm tonight. Let's see if I can catch a good lightning for you. There's one. But anyway, this 22 was given to me for Father's Day from my wife, Bobby. This guy was awesome, and it's blurry right now. I apologize. There it goes. But that was a great purchase. Got me into doing griddle stuff, and you see the coop out there. All the chickens are up and safe. But yeah, we got a good storm going tonight. There's a good nice. So anyway, so the 22 is out, 36 is in, and we'll try to make some good videos for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.